batang-bata ka. Grabe.
Mas grabe po kayo, syempre. Pops, sa royalty coach ko yan. Sarah Heronimo.
Darren, ikaw ang nag-coach sa akin sa The Voice Kids.
Maraming salamat
I love
po.
you,
Of
Darren.
course, Ate Sarah, thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come through. And maraming salamat po syempre for, you know, all the tips and everything you've taught me.
Wala yun!
There.
Ikaw lahat yun!
Opo, share ko lang po. Of course, when I invited Coach Sarah to be part of my 10th anniversary, talagang nag-guest po talaga siya agad. And it means so much to me.
Kundi pala yung towel mo.
Ah! Thank you po.
Alam po, hi Sir Song!
Thank you po. Thank you po.
I just wanna say, Darren, nahihiya man ako magsalita. Pero, Darren, mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are as an artist, as a vocalist. You are amazing. Pero, what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo, Darren. Every time I would see you, napaka-genuine ng happiness lang. Every time na nakikita tayo, sobra akong bilib na bilib sa'yo, sa humility mo, Darren. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming dekada pa ang tatagal mo dito sa industriya. If you remain humble, despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
I love you.
I love you too. Maraming
10
salamat
years!
po.
10 years na pala yun! Ang tangkat mo!
Thank you po. I love you so much po. Thank you po. Grabe.
Galing mo, Darren!
Thank you. Give it up once again for Miss Sarah Heronimo! Wow! Who would have thought makakapag-mashup ang aming mga kanta na bibitaw na at alam? Nagustuhan niyo po ba yung mashup na yon? Gusto niyo bang i-release namin officially? Yeah! Survey lang. Joke lang. Pero, again, maraming salamat po to my Bello family and for all the support. Yeah. Kaya naman, I want to ask you guys before anything else. Araneta, do you guys want more? All right, we'll give you more. This is